Hello students, your instructor here again, John Mandula with another screencast. Just want to follow up to the bouncing balls video. I got cut off a little bit the last one. So what I was trying to say was, at this point, I had made a keyframe, oops, and I had a ball in it, right? I'm going to go back in time. I had a ball down here, but I said it'd be so much better to the ball finish where it started. So because of that, I deleted the ball from here, and I went way over here to the very first frame, found the ball, right click and copied it. Now I'm going to go all the way back to the end at frame 150. When I get there, I'm not going to do a regular paste, I'm going to do paste in place. That makes sure that it will paste the exact same spot on the screen. So now it's right there, and I'm going to do a right click shape tween here. So I'm going to scrub the plate all the way back to the beginning. If I hit enter, I'll be able to see it play. I'm just going to go through. In fact, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do a file, save as, of course. I'm just going to call this bouncing balls. I don't want to save it to the desktop for now. I'm using CS4. If you're using CS5, it's going to be the exact same process. So now what I can do is go to Control Test Movie, or Control Enter, to preview what it'll look like. You can see there the ball's bouncing and rolling off the ceiling, then back to the beginning. So what's happening is like, hey, we didn't make it go again. Flash automatically loops on playback, right? I can see one problem is that I don't actually have it going. Oh, I do. It does go all the way to the edge, but it's only it's showing maybe a little bit more than that. A view to be 100%. Show all. So that's that. Now that I've got that, I can see that actually that's why, because when I got to there, and here maybe, no, that said it was off the edge. 150 it wasn't. That's okay. If it doesn't exactly hit the edge, that's fine. Now we're going to do, let's turn this layer off, unlock it, turn this layer back on and unlock it. We have a different ball. I'm going to choose, maybe red this time. I'll leave the stroke at none. I'll use my oval primitive tool again. Maybe this one I'm going to start down here in the corner. And this one, I'm going to right click on it and go to create motion tween. This is the one that we need a motion tween for. And it says the selected symbol cannot be tweened. Do you want to convert and create a tween? Hit OK. What that's talking about is if I go to my library, I'll see now that I have a symbol 1. I can rename it if I want. I can right click and rename it. I'll call it ball motion tween if I want. That's fine. Now, another thing you'll notice too is it gave you kind of these blue things here. And what I want to do at this point, frame 30, is just have it jerk up to the top, let's say. Notice it creates a small black diamond or a different kind of keyframe. And you can see it now, it's kind of hard to see, maybe it's like a purplish path there. So I'm going to go to frame 60, and I can just go to insert frame. But now I'm just going to move it along over here. So notice how I don't have to tell it to make a keyframe. It's going to make a keyframe for me anytime I change something, in this case the position. To the frame, I want this ball to bounce. Oh, let's say this way. I'll go to frame 120, insert a frame. The ball bounce like this. And then at frame 150, I'm going to insert a frame. Notice how the ball bounce right back there to the beginning. And so now you can see there's a much faster way to do it. So let's file, save this, turn this layer back on. I'm going to test that movie, Control Test Movie or Control Enter. I can see here the two bouncing balls. I might be going off the screen a little bit in the bottom here. That's okay. You can see they're, so these balls are kind of reacting to the sides, the edges. They're not necessarily reacting to each other. In this case, it seems to be okay because it looks like they're actually not touching each other at all, which is fun and funny. So you can see that's how you can make a shape tween and a motion tween for your project. Now, very importantly, you don't have to send me the Flash project. You can either send me the Flash project or you can send me the Swift that the Flash project creates. If you don't know what that means, don't worry, send me the Flash project. Goodbye.